Hello, this is David Toller with Supplemental Seminary, and I'm using my iPhone now. And I just wanted to come to you and let you know that I've gotten into installing sound systems and soundboards and speakers and amps and all that good stuff. So I wanted to show you the setup we have here at Faith Baptist. We've recently installed, with the help of many folks that helped me, we were able to install, and through a donation of our church, be able to go digital. And so this is a Behringer X32 32 channel digital sound board, or sound mixer I should say. And so you can see it has all the processing up here, the preamps, gates, compressors, equalization, and all that. And then it has the screen over here to set each individual channel that I can change and do the EQ on and so forth. And it's on layers. And so you have, channels 1 through 16 are on one layer, and then you get the next layer, which you got the motorized faders as you see them move, and then channels, we'll see it'll be 17 through 32. And what I like about it as well is it can be controlled with this router, and I'm able to connect it to my iPad via the app and control it from up there on the stage. And what I like about this section too is about all the outs that it has. So it has different buses, and you can see that we have several things going on our live stream, monitors, piano monitors, and then the wings. And then for our mains, we done something different. Of course, this is our live stream, and I got to clean up over here and get rid of that Focusrite because we don't need that anymore. So we've got our digital soundboard, Behringer X32, highly recommended. I really think a lot of it, and we can get into that more later. The benefits of having a digital board, if this thing was 32 channel, it'd take up this whole desk just about. So where it's on layers, and then you have all the parameters on the screen where you can set, your meters and then outputs and all that good stuff, and then your effects racks, that type of thing, for example, right here. All right, so you have those, and then as far as our sanctuary, where it's a rectangle, we did have speakers up here on the ceiling, about where it's being painted over here, 2 hanging, and the thing was they were so powerful that they were 800 watts each, trying to reach way back here, which is 60 feet away from the pulpit up there. So we were blowing people out on the front rows, and then it wasn't getting back here. So what we've done is, and this is our, you got our power conditioner and CD player, and then this is our newest amp here that controls the ceiling speakers. And then we got an amp for 2 other EV speakers we're going to put in up here in the front of the sanctuary on the wall right there. And operating our JBLs, I'll show you in a minute, on the side to supplement the wings. In this amp, the crown is used for the on-stage monitors, the wedges. But this one is the newest one. And what we've done is we've taken and we've installed these Electro-Voice ceiling speakers, which we have, they're like canisters. And we have this one, the C8.2s. There's one right there. Okay, and here in a minute I want you to see what they sound like. Over there's one. Look how good that. Now I wouldn't go ceiling speakers is, we had to go that route because we have a short, low ceiling, long corridor of a sanctuary. But if you have a high ceiling, you've got a whole lot of options. There's microphones, congregational mics that we've put in as well. So let me let you hear these. Let me turn on a CD. And we got this run through our mains, and let me bring that up, and we'll walk through here and you get an idea of what we've done. So you can get the idea of that speaker, and we'll walk around the sanctuary. And what I like about it, it's consistent throughout, so no matter where I walk, it's going to be a consistent sound. And there's one right there. don't know if you can see that one. There's one right here. And then we've got one on this side. And there's another one up here. So you can see no matter where I move, that it's a consistent sound. And even over here, these are some of the older speakers. There's one over here in our wing. And then I don't have this one turned up now. This is a JBL speaker. And I'm telling you, this one, it's not hooked up. I'm gonna hook it up tomorrow, but this kind of supplements for the other side of the wing. And let me go over here to this other JBL speaker. I want you to hear that one, because it has a great sound. I'm telling you, this little speaker will pump. All right. Of course, I got my Allen wrench in there. And so this will supplement on this side the one wing speaker that you see there, ceiling speaker, because there's not another one back here. So we put these here to reach this section and to kind of fill it in. But boy, I tell you, those, I'm real impressed with those JBLs. They're small but very effective. And so that's so important that people are able to hear. Here's our monitors, which I have them off right now. Okay, so we got all those installed. I just wanted to share that with you. I thought I was very pleased with the outcome of it, that we've taken these speakers and this digital board and the donation, and it's so important that, you know, faith cometh by hearing, hearing by the word of God. So it's so important that people can hear